Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Emily.
I'm Erin, and today we're making a chicken caprese flatbread.
Okay, first to start off, we're gonna do like 4 tomatoes on our flatbread. Just so it's all spread out. And then we're gonna put some chicken on.
And then on top we'll put some mozzarella cheese. And then we'll go throw it in the oven.
Okay, now we're gonna put our flatbread into our turbo oven and we'll let that go for about a minute and a half.
Now we're gonna go back and top it with basil and balsamic glaze.
Okay, now that the flatbread is out of the turbo oven, we're gonna cut it in half and we're gonna set it on our plate, just like this. And then Erin will put basil and balsamic glaze on top to finish it off. And this will be available in the Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I hope you enjoy.